Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. I am Megan from Simply Megan Plans, and I am absolutely obsessed with the Happy Planner, with all of the stickers and everything that comes along with it. I love, love, love being creative and looking forward to making new spreads, new videos, new posts for you guys every single week. It is something that I don't think I will ever stop doing. This is something that I started back in 2015, and it's just something that makes me happy. I love to come into my craft area, my planner space, and just get creative and plan the day away and stick down the stickers, be creative, and just do what makes me happy, which is creating all of this for you guys and for me as well. I love to make lists, and I'm very type A, so when I found the Happy Planner, it was something that I was instantly gravitated to. And as the years have gone on, they've created more and more and more and more and more things that just keep getting better and better. All of the stickers, all of the different planners and the layouts and the washi, and just so many different tools to be creative and also be organized. So anyways, that's a little about me, but this week I am planning in my catch-all Happy Planner. It's a classic size, and I use this, like it exactly sounds, to catch everything. So I have lots of lists. I have things that are going on, appointments, things to remember, chores, bills, like really everything. But I make sure that it's also cute at the same time. I feel like when your planner is cute and fun and you're really excited about the theme, then you're going to use it more. And if it's just plain, although some people do like it plain and don't want to decorate it, but I personally feel like when my planner is plain and nothing's in it and it's not cute and fun, then I'm not really going to use it. So the stickers is what makes me keep coming back. So this week I decided that I was going to white out the entire page, and even the dates and the days of the week and everything like that. And I put these gorgeous purple stickers all the way around the border. So some of them I cut in half, some of them are just slightly off the page, and then you just cut off the extra. And then in the mini size of this Planner Basics are these really large, really fun numbers. So then I was able to overlap those on top of the flowers to date the days. And then in this journaling sticker book, I found the days of the week. So those fit really well. Then also in this same book, I found the word April, and then I colored it in right here. And then the word May, I found to put on Saturday because May is happening or going to be started on Saturday, which is absolutely crazy because it literally just felt like we rang in the new year. Like, honestly, it feels like we just rang in last year's new year. I don't know where the time goes. It's crazy, crazy. But this sticker book has so much that all match together, which, maybe sounds silly because, yeah, of course, it's one sticker book. But I don't know, it's so fun to see all the stickers that match so perfectly. And so they are all, it's just so simple. They made it so easy to create such a gorgeous spread, and you can decide how you want to lay the stickers down. So for me, I've really been, wanting to layer more and then, group more as well. So layering things and then grouping them in 3 or more. And I just pretty much pulled out any of the stickers that had the purple flowers on them and anything that had green as well. So this that said, "This is the life," I thought was so fun, so cute to layer all the way across this, page like that. And I really wanted to use this purple square right there, but there really wasn't that much room. I already had taken up a lot of space with the numbers and the days of the week, so I needed to be conscious of that because I do need to have space to write. But I know, there's a little bit going on here and there this week, but really not much. So that was good to know that I at least had a little bit of wiggle room to be able to stick a few more stickers than normal, but to still take it easy and not put down too much, at least at first. But as the days goes on, if there really isn't much going on, then I can stick more down. But at first, I want to take it a little bit easier. For those that have never seen my After the Pen spreads, definitely you should go check those out. I have a playlist of each of the type of videos that I make. But if you go to my After the Pen videos, you can see that I lay it heavy with where I write and stickers and everything like that. I don't like really any white space at all. I want things to feel really well loved, really, really used. So using a ton of stickers makes that, work for me. I don't know. I like when it feels really filled up. And when it's not, then I feel like I'm not using all my stickers and I want to use the stickers. There's just so much to choose from and it's all so cute. So I'm pretty sure these are the last few stickers that I'm laying down. And so the spread is really finishing up, but I realized that there was this box that I could have used instead. So I'm pulling this one up because it has a foiling border, and instead there is this one that just has a solid purple border. And I didn't really want that much foiling. It's hard to take pictures of, so that's why I replaced it. So that's it. The spread is complete. And thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.